Investing might sound intimidating, but it's one of the best ways to grow your wealth over time. In this video, we'll break it down step by step so you can start investing, even if you only have $100. Why invest? Because your money loses value over time due to inflation. By investing, you can beat inflation and let your money work for you. Historically, the stock market has grown by an average of 7 to 10% annually. Step 1. Set your goals. Before you start investing, make sure you have an emergency fund of at least 3 to 6 months' expenses. Once that's in place, think about your goals. Is it saving for retirement or building long-term wealth? Step 2. Start with ETFs and index funds. ETFs, or exchange-traded funds, let you invest in a basket of stocks or bonds, spreading out your risk. Index funds follow the performance of a market index, like the S&P 500. They're affordable, diversified, and great for beginners. Think you need thousands to start? Nope. Many platforms like Robinhood, Fidelity, or Vanguard allow you to start with as little as $100. Look for low-cost ETFs like Vanguard's VTI or Fidelity's FXAIX. These cover a wide range of stocks at a minimal fee. For long-term growth, consider ETFs like Vanguard's Total Stock Market ETF, VTI, SPDR S&P 500 ETF, SPY, or iShares Core MSCI World ETF, URTH. These funds are well diversified and have a history of solid returns. Consistency is key. Invest regularly, even if it's just $50 a month. Over time, compound growth can turn small contributions into substantial wealth. To recap, set clear goals, choose ETFs or index funds, start small, and stay consistent. Ready to take the first step? Start investing today. It's easier than you think. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more beginner-friendly finance tips.